This particular poem, The Fog, is written by none other than the great American poet, the Carl Sandburg. The theme of this poem is none other than fog itself. Let me tell you something about this great poet, the Carl Sandburg. He's an American poet, and the main theme of his poems are human resilience, human power, and the mother nature. He has written another great poem. The name of that poem is The Chicago, where he quantifies the human spirit, the zeal, the enthusiasm, that human spirit never dies. But in this particular, The Fog, he has used fog as an analogy, as an comparison, or as a metaphor with a cat. Here he is liking the description of fog as a living creature, because he has given the fog a human form, and he has compared it with a cat. Diagonally, simultaneously, he has mentioned fog as well as the cat. Here the poet is rightly telling that the fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. It is a single stanza poem, but it has a very deep and penetrative meaning, and for your 10th point of view, it will definitely come in the exam. Here again, what happened, that the fog has virtually come. It has come over the city, and it has come silently without any notice. It has been compared with the cat, that how cat comes very silently. It does not want any human interference. It does not want any human interference, and it comes very silently. And it does not want that anyone should notice its presence. Similarly, the fog comes in the similar manner. And when it comes, it sits down. It sits down and watches the whole city and the harbor. Harbor is a place where the ships are docked. They are placed. Like where the planes stand, they are called as airports. Where the ship stands means they are docked, they are called the harbor. So like the cat, it comes, it watches silently over the city and the harbor. In the similar manner, like the cat comes, it sits on its haunches, on its back, and watches the city and the harbor. Similarly, the poet here is also trying to tell you that every form of nature, every form of life, like in itself, now he has taken the topic, the fog, has its presence, it has its phenomena, it has its duty. Similarly, he is telling that after watching the whole city and after descending, means over whole area, fog then retrenches. Retrenches means to go back. So the fog now, like the cat, slowly and steadily, like the cat, how cat will slowly and steadily move out of the area, fog also retrenches and go backs without making any noise, in the silence. This is the meaning of the full stanza. Here the writer has used the poetic device, the analogy. Analogy here is comparison of fog to a cat. It is an analogy, and metaphor is used, that cat is compared. Use of cat to refer fog. Metaphor is used when cat is used to refer a fog, and it is a free verse. There is no rhyming scheme. Free, in the free verse there is no rhyming scheme. So this is the meaning of the full stanza. So this is a very important poem. I hope you got it. If you have not got it, or if you have any query, you can call on my number 97297 85975. I also give you the close look on my board of each and everything which I have written. You can jot it down, or if you have any problem understanding the handwriting, you can let me know. Thank you very much.